This is in favor of farmers. What Youth Congress has gathered here for a major protest. As you can see, the GST surcharge for farmers has increased with a percentage of 18 in number. So, as the normal people of India are already suffering since the NDA has come in power, so the farmer who are the backbone, who are the backbone of India, who is the main economy for India, who is the main source for food cultivation. So if farmers are suffering, what would be the post of India? How India would represent, like we can see in many other sorts where India has already such their heads below down, and if farmers gonna do the same way, and if this NDA government who is selling the entire nation to the people who are owning it, like Ambanis, you can see the Adanis, if these are the major stakes, if these people are holding, and if also they take in turn the rights of the farmers, who is the backbone of India, what would the farmers do and what would the normal people do here? That is what the major protest we are doing for in favor of farmers, and this gonna continue throughout the nation. This will not stop until unless we get the right, and the NDA should have come down. They are attacking the normal people. They should consider the food is the main source and food is the main economy for India. But if India gonna continue the same, hitting the normal people's stomach, so we are not gonna stop over here. We will gonna raise our voice in a majority of numbers. As you can see here, Youth Congress tribe of Karnataka has also already started raising the voice, and this gonna continue throughout the nation. Thank you.
जय जवान
जय किसान
जय जवान
जय किसान
ರೈತ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ರೈತ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ಕಾರ
बोलो यूथ कांग्रेस की
जय
बोलो यूथ कांग्रेस की
जय
बोलो यूथ कांग्रेस के राहुल गांधी की डीके शिवकुमार के सिद्धरामಯ್ಯ यूथ कांग्रेस जिंदाबाद यूथ कांग्रेस जिंदाबाद ರೈತ ಉಳಿದರೆ ದೇಶ ಉಳಿಯುವುದು ರೈತ ಉಳಿದರೆ ದೇಶ ಉಳಿಯುವುದು ರೈತ ಉಳಿದರೆ ದೇಶ ಉಳಿಯುವುದು ಜೈ ಜವಾನ್ ಜೈ ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಜೈ ಜವಾನ್ ಜೈ ಕಿಸಾನ್ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ ಎಲ್ಲವರೆಗೂ ಹೋರಾಟ ನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಒಂದೇ